I'm just gonna be taking my Too Faced primer and I'm gonna be dotting that all over my face. Okay, so while that's sitting in, I'm just gonna move on to my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be taking my spoolie and I'm just gonna be arching my eyebrows as high up as I want them to be. After those eyebrows are all brushed out, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. eyebrow kit in the shade Dark, and I'm just going to start filling in my eyebrows. Then I'm going to kind of be dragging the color up a little bit to the very front of my eyebrow. And I'm just gonna brush them out a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna blend out the concealer a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Vanilla, and I'm just going to be dotting this all over my face and then blending it out with a beauty sponge. Okay, so I just did the slightest amount because I'm actually going to be taking my Too Faced Royal Oil and I'm going to be putting a little bit here on my face. It is going to be a little dark, but don't worry because we're going to blend it out and then apply more foundation on top of it. Okay, so now I'm going to be picking up more foundation. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my Ready Set Gorgeous concealer from CoverGirl in the shade Light, and I'm just going to be applying that under my eye. Then I'm just going to blend it out. And then I'm gonna bring the concealer on the sides of my nose. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with the Coty Airspun powder, and I'm just taking a little bit on this contour brush, and I'm just putting that right here. I'm trying not to put a lot right here because I'm gonna put powder highlighter. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Lavender Grace palette from Lancome, and I'm gonna be going in with this lighter lavender shade, and I'm just gonna be applying this all over my lid, kind of locking in the concealer that I put. After my eyeshadow is applied, I'm going to be taking my Essence liquid liner in the black shade, and I'm going to be lining my lid. And I just kind of start from the outer edge and then work my way up, and I am also using tape as my guide since liquid liner can be a little bit messy. Now I'm going to be taking my Lancome Sills Booster and just applying this on my lashes. This kind of primes them for the actual mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with the Defenseals mascara from Lancome. Apply that on top. If any mascara gets on your lid, just like let it dry a little bit. Then I just take my eyeshadow brush and brush it out. Now I'm gonna take my Anastasia contour kit and I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my nose a little bit with the gray tone shade.
Taking my Carly Bible Deluxe Edition palette, and I'm going to be using the rose gold shade to just highlight the bridge and the tip of my nose.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to bronzer. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Now I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Hello Kitty collection in the shade Fun with Friends. It's a super shock cheek. So I'm going to be taking this on a blush brush and applying that right here to the apples of my cheeks. The sun is like leaving me. So sorry if the lighting is a little bit off, but the sun is disappearing. Okay, so after that, it's time for the fun part. So I'm gonna be taking my glow kit, my sun dipped glow kit from Anastasia, and I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones. Could not find my brush. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the shade Summer and applying that on the high points of my cheeks. Alright, and then I'm going to be going in with another highlighter from the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I'm going to be taking the shade Kitty Cat and putting that on top. Now I'm going to be taking my Anastasia contour kit and I'm going to be taking the deepest brown shades and I'm just going to go back and contour. Okay, so now I'm just gonna buff that out. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend all of this in. So now I'm just gonna cut my cheekbones with some powder. Now I'm going to be taking the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and exposed and just line my lips. And I'm going to be taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Zurich. Super pink. So I'm just going to let it dry a little and go in with a nude. Now I'm going to be taking a little bit more blush, and then I'm also going to be going in with a little bit more highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna just set my under eyes a little bit more with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit shade in Banana. I'm just gonna, this is gonna brighten the under eye. Here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Please also list any suggestions on what videos you'd like to see me do next in the comment section below. And until next time.